Hello everyone, welcome back from your Hexper. So in my last video I told you about how you can play, what is the setup for the backgammon game. In my today's video I will be telling you about its movement and how you hit, how you re-enter in the board game. So about rule number first, who is going to play the first? This is decided by the roll of the dice. The die, a person with higher dice number is going to if two person are rolling the dice, the person with higher dice number is going to play the first chance. So like if I roll dice 5 and you roll dice 3, then I'm going to make the movement of 5 and 3 in this way. Like I have to be in front, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't move 5 because now in movement you need to focus over few things. Like firstly, if when you are doing the movement, you have to see whether the triangles are occupied, and either triangles would be occupied or it would be unoccupied. If it is unoccupied, then you can simply do the movement. Like my number was 5 and 3. Just suppose I moved the first 3, 1, 2, 3, but I can't place 5, or whether I can place 5. For this I am telling you the rule. Rule number 2 says if either the triangles would be occupied or unoccupied. If it is unoccupied, then you can place your checker, but if it is occupied, then you have to check whether it is occupied with opposite checkers or the same checker of your color. If it is occupied with a checker of opposite color, then you have to check whether it is one or more than one. If it is more than one, then you can't place your checker over that point. You can only place when there is only one checker present. In case, then I would be giving you example later on, like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't place 5, but if it has been 6, 3 and 6, then I would be able to place my checker here. So this says rule number 2. In rule number 2, if now I am going to give you the example for hit just after this. Now it would be opponent turns. Opponent just had 3 and 5. Now how you are going to move? I will be moving from this direction to this place. You are going to move from this direction to your home board. So 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3. Now we will check. 3, 1, 2, 3. Rule number 2 says if it is unoccupied, then we can place. Yes, we can place it here. So we can place it. Now this, we can place any of the checkers. This checker, this checker, this checker, this checker, anywhere. So now now we want to suppose play this 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is unoccupied. Then again we can play this. This is rule number 2. Then now again it is my turn. Just suppose I got 6 and 6. I got double 6. If you are rule number 3, here comes the rule number 3. Rule number 3 says if you are getting the 2 times the same number on the dice, you are going to move 4 times. Like you not 2, you are going to move 4 times. Like 6. 1, 2, we were here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can't move this because it's saying it's not. We can't move only to the point where it's saying for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can't move it here itself. So here we were wrong. We have to move something else. Just suppose we move this checker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I moved it here, can I move it here? Then I have to go through rule number 2.1, where I said you about if it is unoccupied, then it is well and good, but it is occupied. We have to check whether it is occupied with the same color or different color. And if it is a different color, then we have to check it is more than 1 or less than 1. It is exactly 1. Then at this point, in such situation, we hit and that checkers come to the midpoint. This is known as bar point on the bar. You will place this on the bar. So as you have placed it on the bar, so now the game says you need to re-enter. As I made the move and I hit your checker. So you need to re-enter into the board first, then only you can make any other movement. You need to make all the points over here, then only you can make any movement. Now it's your turn. You made 2 and just suppose 4. So can you place 1, 2? Yes, it is unoccupied. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you place it here? It's no, it is of opposite color. In opposite color we have to check whether it is more than 1 or less than 1. It is more than 1, so we can't place it here, so we will keep it here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, you hit my checker and I came to here. So this is how we hit, how we move, and how we re-enter into the game. And I told you about when we are getting the same number on the dice, we need to play 4 times. So these are the total 3 rules which you need to keep into the mind. And rest of the rest is one process is left, which I will be telling you in my next video. Till then, enjoy. Bye bye. Take care. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please give me like and also subscribe to my channel, so that after reaching to the stage of 1000 I can make directly one-to-one interactive sessions with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy.